It's a strong day for most asset classes, including the Indian rupee as well, which did touch a record lows of 60.76 in the markets yesterday. Couple of statements, one from ECB where they said that they would continue with the stimulus, and another one, a weak GDP number from US, which also tells you that perhaps Fed will not curb back stimulus too soon, is something that has supported most asset classes. You also have seen the dollar decline versus the euro and most Asian currencies. That has been supportive for the Indian rupee as well, which is trading quite firm in the day today. And apart from that, you also saw some fresh foreign inflows coming in, as you have seen the regional and the Indian equity markets gain up, and that has been supportive into the markets as well. Apart from that, the CAD numbers for India, which were to be released in the markets tomorrow, have been released today as well, and they are quite on the positive side. That also has lent some support into the Indian rupee, including the kind of supportive information or statements that you have been hearing from the Delhi officials. That also seems to have done the trick, and you have seen some gains coming in for the Indian unit. But going forward, the rupee still is vulnerable because of the high inflation and, of course, the high food prices, and that would continue to put pressure. You are looking at a range between 58 to 61 as well as for most bankers in the Indian markets.